Well, I think it's very useful to practice those skills of teamwork, especially recognizing when you should stop taking control of a situation and give a control to someone else that maybe better understands or can control it better than you. And also know when you have to take control. Developing that sensibility, it's important, and these activities just help us to improve those skills. So I think it's very useful, and also I like to spend some time with my co-workers. That improves also relationships inside the job in the event, so it's very useful.
It was a great activity. We had the chance to gather up, talk with each other, have a great time together. Also keep strengthening our company with our team, so it was a really good day.
Me gustó compartir con compañeros que ni siquiera había podido tener la oportunidad de trabajar con ellos. Me pareció muy linda, me disfruté mucho, estoy muy agradecida de ser parte del equipo y espero que vayamos por más.
NYE Staffing.
Thank you, NYE Staffing, and happy holidays.
From NYE Staffing.